Imagine waking up one morning and Earth has turned into a mini Jupiter. Not a gas balloon you can bounce on, but a planet with half of Jupiter's mass.
Yeah, good luck finding your car keys when gravity yeets them through the floor.
So the question is, what if Earth suddenly became half of Jupiter? Jupiter is the heavyweight champion of the solar system, more than 300 times Earth's mass. So half of Jupiter is still about 150 Earths slammed into one planet. We're not talking slightly heavier Earth. We're talking Earth swallowed a buffet and became a cosmic bowling ball. Let's pretend Earth magically gains this mass but stays in the same orbit around the Sun. No time for construction, warning sirens, or NASA press conferences. Just poof, super Earth. First thing you'd feel? Gravity would nearly triple. Your 150-pound body is now pushing 450 pounds into the floor. Forget walking upstairs. Just blinking feels like cardio. Bones start cracking, organs complain, and elevators file for retirement. Buildings? Nope. Skyscrapers would pancake themselves in minutes. The Eiffel Tower would look like a metal omelet. With that new mass, Earth grabs and squishes way more gas. The atmosphere thickens like soup leftover in the microwave. Air pressure skyrockets. Breathing would feel like trying to inhale concrete. Winds would rage as the atmosphere adjusts to the new gravity, and storms would form that make hurricanes look like light breezes from a hairdryer. Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface. With this much mass, Earth's crust wouldn't survive. The core heats up from the intense pressure. Oceans, continents, and your favorite taco place? They'd melt into a superheated layer of magma under a crushing atmosphere.
Mount Everest wouldn't exist. It'd be a polite bump under 10,000 miles of pressure.
Now Earth's gravity isn't just messing with you, it starts messing with space. The moon? Gone. Either it crashes into Earth in a fiery hug or gets flung into space like a confused bowling pin. Satellites would fall, GPS dies, and your phone's location says you're somewhere in 1873. The sun also feels the difference. A planet this heavy starts slightly tugging the entire solar system. Nothing catastrophic, just enough to make physicists sweat. On the bright side, that molten core, it creates a gigantic magnetic field. Auroras would be huge and everywhere. Northern lights? More like everyone lights. Too bad no one's alive to see it without being vaporized. Eventually, Earth stops being a rocky planet. Under the intense pressure, gases form deep layers, and the surface turns into something between lava soup and a pressure cooker. Earth becomes a baby gas giant, a Jupiter light. No rings, unless the moon exploded on the way out. Then maybe we get a tragic debris halo. So what if Earth became half Jupiter? Humanity doesn't get superpowers, we get flattened. The planet melts, the atmosphere swells, the moon bails out, and Earth becomes a junior gas giant with anger issues. It's not a cooler Earth, it's an instant eviction notice for the entire biosphere. If you enjoyed this journey into planetary chaos, hit like, drop a comment with your next what-if idea, and subscribe so you don't miss the next disaster we imagine together.